Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm talking about sitemap XML files. The question at hand has to do with Route 6 Tourist Association and the Happenings blog, which is powered by WordPress. Ergo, you have two sitemaps. One for the WordPress site is actually an index that lists several, and then you get a sitemap for the regular HTML5 site. So, I wanted to know, can you load two? And the Google Search Console said you could load 500 for a single site. So you want to have a daily sitemap. For any changes that you make, you update the sitemap, re-upload it into the location, and go to the Search Console and re-index it. And then maybe weekly or twice a week, you have the sitemap that hardly ever changes, okay? So then you can keep track of the content on your website. It's sort of, think of it this way. It's like you have a restaurant and you have a menu, right? So every time you have a different blue plate special, your menu is going to update. Now, sure, on this side over here, you get the standard dinner menu, things that never change, but you're going to have new content, new recipe items that come down the pipe and the restaurant. So update it, and bazinga, everybody's in the know. Same thing happens with the sitemap. If you've got the XML sitemap current and updated, there's no mysteries going on. And wouldn't that be nice for the users to not experience any, I can't find it? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcookreport.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.